Whoa, okay, we are going to do a tapping on being a money magnet. If you've never tapped before, just follow along with me, tap on the points that I'm tapping on, repeat after me, and that's pretty much all you have to do. So first, I just want you to check in with yourself and see how you feel on a scale of 0 to 10 about being a money magnet. Like, are your fears around money like that intense where we would say if you're feeling at a 10, you're feeling super stressed about money, you're not feeling good about it, you're feeling super anxious, and 0 is like, whatever, this isn't even a problem. So rate yourself on a scale of 0 to 10, how you're feeling, and follow after me. I'm feeling super anxious around my money situation. But even though I feel this way, I deeply and completely love, accept, and forgive myself. I feel really bad about my money situation. But even though I feel this way, I deeply and completely love, accept, and forgive myself. I have so much stress around my money situation. But even though I feel this way, I deeply and completely love, accept, and forgive myself. I'm feeling so much stress around my money situation. I feel like I don't have enough. I feel like there's never going to be enough. I feel like no matter how hard I try, I just can't get ahead. I work really, really hard, and then it all goes away. I just feel really bad about my money situation. I feel like I can't trust money. I feel like it's never there for me. I feel like everyone else understands it and I just don't get it. I feel really blocked around my money situation. I feel like I can never depend on it to be there for me. It really stresses me out thinking about my money situation. I get really anxious. I feel like I'm never going to figure this out. I feel like it's just so hard. But even though I feel this way, I deeply and completely love, accept, and forgive myself. I want to be better with money, but I feel like I just don't know how. I feel like there's some kind of invisible block in the way. I feel like I just don't get it. I feel like I should be further ahead than I am. And it's really stressing me out. But even though I feel this way, I deeply and completely love, accept, and forgive myself. The richest people in the world have their fair share of money issues. And if they can figure it out, so can I. I know that money responds to who I'm being and what I believe. And even though I was believing something about it before, and it wasn't serving me, I can change that story now. I choose to believe better things around money. I choose to come at this from a place of love over fear. I choose to believe the universe is always supporting me, and it's just waiting for me to allow it. Maybe I was blocking the flow of money before, but I'm choosing to let it in now. I'm allowing money to be easy. I've decided my income is increasing every single day. I've decided that money is always there for me. I've decided I can trust money. I'm choosing to believe that money is always there for me when I need it. And even beyond that, I'm elevating into a state of overflow. Money gets to flow to me with ease. I'm choosing to be a magnet for money. I'm choosing to see opportunities around me all the time to make more money. I'm choosing to be open to manifesting more money than I could ever imagine. I'm choosing to believe that I'm great with money. I know that the more fun that I have, the more money I make. I'm choosing that money is my best friend. I'm choosing to love and trust money. I'm choosing to know that it's safe for me to have money. It's safe for me to be a wealthy woman. It's safe for me to be abundant. The universe wants me to be abundant. I'm choosing to believe that my income is going up and up. I'm choosing to believe that good things happening mean more good things are going to happen. And so it is. Take a deep breath in and let it go. If you've got some water around, take a couple big sips because we've shifted a lot of energy. So I just want you to flush it out with drinking some water and just check in to see how do you feel now. If you could rate yourself on a scale of 0 to 10, again, 10 being like I feel super anxious about this and 0 being like I feel totally fine. If you're anything above a 2, I would recommend like going through this again. And if you're below a 2, well, you can probably just leave it. And I would definitely encourage you to come back and revisit this video more than once, because we want to always be like consciously integrating these things into our beliefs and into our subconscious. And so the way we can do that is through tapping on things regularly and reminding ourselves what we choose to believe for ourselves. So thanks for joining me. I hope you love this video, and